Hello guys, nata diri sa Bugo Plaza guys. Atong naay mga content creator po guys ug vlogger nga atong ikuan guys. Mas naa sila daghang idea sa diri sa kuan guys, diri sa Bugo nga unsa ang ilahang activities ug unsa taga Bugo nga place onya ako lang tagang tamong ila-ila guys si Miss.
Hi everyone, I am Junette Esplantano and as known as Extra Gaming. And yes, pamadjuk ko kay Bo.
Okay lang.
Showdown eh, pero yeah. So, here we go guys, and nandito kayo ngayon sa Bugo Plaza, and as you can see, there's a lot of practice out there because we have a culmination for tomorrow. And yes, this is a contest, and this sa Bugo guys, hindi lang siya maraming kakulian, but sobrang nature lang siya guys, sobrang smooth lang ng mga tao dito, mapagmahal, tsaka ini-enjoy lang namin dito yung mga place dito sa Bugo. A lot of better places that come here, it comes sa mga tao dito, and willing to welcome Bugo if pumunta kayo dito.
What else can you say about regarding Bugo, the place, the students, and saan yung magandang pupuntahan?
So for me guys, as a Bugohanon, there's a lot of beach here, so you should try it guys, lalo na sa north kung saan kayo pupunta, mag-island hopping kayo. And then about din sa student, lot of students here are so masipag kasi even though they're busy in their schedule, but siningit pa rin nila yung culmination para lang sa grades nila, and they try their best para makakuha ng magandang grades.
Okay, tell us about the students here who are practicing.
So the students, they are practicing here at the plaza guys. I don't know even their section because we're not classmates, but there's my classmates out there. Yes, we are calling it culminations because it was the last project for our PE, and for our third year there's no PE anymore. So yes, tomorrow is our culmination, and this is the project of the PE. Ito yung last na project na sa PE nang hiningi ng teacher namin. So yes, so good luck sa amin bukas.
May contest ba kaya?
Yes, contest bukas.
Where?
At school at CRMC.
Okay, and not in the public places, no?
No, not in the public places. Just in the ground in the CRMC.
So you're a blogger also?
Not that much, but some of my followers are asking me why should I not blog, because I have a blog one time, then I already uploaded, then there's something small like a 300 or something more than that, then I really so appreciate. But now I just taking a vlog about the gaming because I just prioritize the gaming video creator than the vlogger.
Okay, tell us about your page or channel.
My page guys is about PC gaming. So I know that all of you or some of you know the Knives Out, and yes, before the Knives Out came is meron yung Rust, pero yung Rust na disband siya. So yung Knives Out dumating, so yun na yung pina-prioritize ko. And yes, yung game na yun is sobrang saya, and then sa lang talaga siya guys, hindi talaga siya pwede sa cellphone, kundi sa PC lang talaga siya. Kaya sa mga may karoon ng oras dyan, download kayo sa Knives Out para ma-enjoy din nyo yung laro. Ang daming player dyan.
And what's the name of your page? I mean, Facebook account?
So you can support me guys to follow Extra Gaming, and right now I just changed my account to XRA, so that's the spelling XRA, X then small r and then A. So yeah, that's why I changed my page guys, not just because of the game, but just because soon I will be a digital creator, soon I'll be gonna get a chance to be vlogged, and I hope so that will be continue.
Okay guys, natin na ila-ila diri sa Bugo guys, very friendly o beautiful. Inani ang lugar diri guys. Okay, bye. Thank you. Okay lang. Okay guys, nag-practice sila arnis guys atong kuan guys, i-view natin sila guys. Mao ni mga Pride of Cebu na martial arts guys. Gikan ni Kakoy Cañete, and I was also a member of this martial art na Arnis. Oh, proud to be Cebuano and Cebuhanon. Okay. It's okay. Oh. Oh, kinsa to mga kailangan mag-practice guys, inani jud guys, at least na may basic na mga depensa sa inyong kagalingon. Oh. Nani sa plaza sa Bugo guys. Muna ilang asa ang instructor. Oh, by number ni sila guys ang pag saan pagtupot, ang sa pag-strike. Hi. Hi everyone. Naka-distract lang ko. Okay. Continue lang, continue. Hi. Dagan akong followers ani. Okay guys, bye.